Okay, so once you've set up your planner on the Idoceo 4 app, what you need to do now is to import your registers from Sims. Okay, so to do that, simply go onto Sims, go onto your mark sheet and export it via an Excel file. So I've already done this, so if I click on my mail, you can see there that I've got a mark sheet emailed to myself from Sims. So what I'm going to do now is to import that file into the Idoceo 4 app. So to do that, all I'm going to do is click on the attachment, scroll across, find the Idoceo 4 app and click on that. Tap on it, there you go. And that has now brought me to a page for the importing of my class list. So to do that, I simply click on Import Wizard. And what that's come up with is a little section or a little preview of the spreadsheet that we're trying to import. So the first thing we need to do, as it suggests, is to highlight the header row. So if I scroll through that, you can see there that that's the header row that contains the header of my columns. So I'm going to highlight that. Once I've done that, I'm going to press continue. Then what we need to do is to identify which one of those columns contains the children's name. Well, obviously, the computer needs to recognise that, so I want to put that there. Click on surname, forename, highlight name, and that has now identified that as where the name of the children will be. So continue. Personal data, I'm not too worried about that, so I'm going to press continue again. This is a bit that you're most likely to be interested in. We've got the name. I'm not interested in their UPN number for my personal registers, so I'm going to take that off. So I'll just tap on the tick, and that will disappear. But what I am interested in for my registers are the registration group, whether they're pupil premium, and their SEN status. I also would like their end of Key Stage 3 target, but I do not particularly want any of the information there because this has been taken from this year's filled-in sheet. So I'm going to get rid of those. So all I need to do is to tap on the tick and it will actually get rid of that information for me. Once I've done that, I then press continue and I'm ready to create my new class. So click on create class and you can see there that I've got my register already imported. So I'm going to use the back button at the top there, which is a little circle with the arrow. And you can see there that it's got mark sheet that's formatted. So I'm going to edit it. Obviously I want to change the name. Click on that again. And then I can delete that and call it 8MX /1, 8X1. Okay, done. And you can see now that I've got that register there, so I'm going to press finish, and that register has been successfully imported.